Good evening, everyone. This is Jammu and Kashmir News Analysis. Today, we will be covering analysis of both 20th of July and 21st of July. Yesterday, there was not so much important news regarding Jammu and Kashmir in any of the papers, which will be important for UPSC and JKS exams or JKSSB. So, I didn't cover the analysis yesterday. Today, we have some important news which we are going to discuss. There is no such news in Hindu, in Express, and Greater Kashmir. The most of the important news today is covered in the Excelsior, which we will be covering today. So the first news is that जम्मू में जो है अभी टेररिज्म इज इंक्रीजिंग जैसा कि हमने देखा पिछले कुछ हफ्तों से since some weeks the terrorist attacks are being increasing. So what the LG said that how we will be combating it, हम कश्मीर का मॉडल इस इधर जो है अप्लाई करेंगे इन जम्मू. So what is कश्मीर का मॉडल? वही कश्मीर का मॉडल ये है कि we have to keep a strict vigilance on the terrorist based activities and we have to ensure that there is no local support in this. In addition to this, what he said that हमने कौन-कौन से ऐसी चीजें किए हमने कौन-कौन से डेवलपमेंटल स्टेप्स लिए ताकि मोर ऑफ द यूथ ऑफ कश्मीर वाज इन्वॉल्व्ड इनटू डेवलपमेंटल एक्टिविटीज. फॉर एग्जांपल हमने विलेज बैक टू विलेज लॉन्च किया, माई टाउन माई प्राइड लॉन्च किया, identification of youth for skill development we launched. So these were some of the measures which were being taken for socio-economic development. Also he said that हमने एक special program launch किया, हौसला program. What is this हौसला program? It is for the women entrepreneurs. Those women entrepreneurs who are currently the resident of Jammu and Kashmir, who are the domicile of Jammu and Kashmir, and who own 33% of the this business enterprises. They are given they under the Hosla scheme are given the financial and the legal assistance, and also they are provided the market reach. And there is also a nurturing ecosystem for the women empowerment. कोई भी women जो J&K की domicile है, आपको कुछ क्राइटेरियाज इसमें याद रखने हैं, और जिसका 1/3 about 33% जिसका जो है शेयर होगा इन द बिजनेस, उस वुमेन को अंडर हौसला स्कीम एज ए एंटरप्रेन्योर उस वुमेन को फाइनेंशियल जो है क्रेडिट एक्सेसिबिलिटी मिल जाएगी, मार्केट रीच मिलेगा. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में ग्लोबल ब्रांड्स बनाने में, फॉर्च्यून्स बनाने में हेल्प कर रहा है और विमेन लेड डेवलपमेंट को डेडिकेट कर रहा है. और एक स्टार्टअप पोर्टल भी हमने लॉन्च किया था जिसको अंडर द स्टार्टअप पॉलिसी, जो स्टार्टअप पॉलिसी 2021 में लॉन्च हुई थी. उसके बाद ये बात करते हैं कि कैसे JKEDI ने भी एक मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग साइन किया है विद द अदर हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस, जिसकी वजह से हम लोग स्किल और नॉलेज और इनोवेशन और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वेरियस एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट्स में इनवाइब कर रहे हैं. The next important news is related to JKSSB. They can ask it. There is a woman, Anshu is the first Jammu woman to command the ADU, that is Air Defense Unit. आपको बस इतना याद रखना है, Anshu Jamwal from a village in Jammu becomes the first women officer to command an air defense unit in Indian Army, and she was commissioned from OTA Chennai in 2006. You just have to remember her name. Apart from this, there is also this news about the recent border infiltration and how this is being increased mostly across the IB area, that is Samba Kutwa district, and how it needs to be curbed. इसमें for example it has been stressed that hilly areas में mostly these foreign terrorists are hiding and how the security forces should target them. So now the government is trying that this fresh infiltration, whatever is taking place, for example, recently Kupwara में we have the Operation Rajveer, जिसमें 2 militants were killed, and similarly we have to take into consideration अगर कोई new infiltration हो रही है along the international border and also along the line of control. The next important news, I don't think there is any news in this, but it tells an interesting news about the innovative healthcare in the Sri Amarnath Ji Yatra. It's about the Pawnee ambulance service. that is the ambulance service which is carried on the horses. For example, कुछ जगहें ऐसी होती हैं जहाँ पे we don't have the accessibility, तो वहाँ पे these ambulance services are acting as a savior. मोस्टली जो यात्रा है वहाँ पे जो अमरनाथ जी यात्रा है वहाँ पे जो है रोड एक्सेसिबिलिटी अभी हाफ वे ही है. हाफ वे जो है मोस्टली ट्रैक के थ्रू जाते हैं या पॉनी के थ्रू जाते हैं, हॉर्सेस के थ्रू जाते हैं. तो नाउ दिस एम्बुलेंस सर्विस इज ऑल्सो बीइंग मेड अवेलेबल थ्रू दिस हॉर्सेस एंड दिस हैज प्रूवन. और इस ये जो Bonnie Ambulance Services है, it is being equipped with various medical kits, oxygen cylinders and various healthcare support, so that जो भी remote areas है, difficult to reach areas है, वहाँ पे एक first aid और एक immediate care को provide किया जाए. और ये दोनों एरिया से बालतल रूट से भी और पहलगाम रूट से भी अवेलेबल है. दिस यू कैन कोट एज एन इनोवेटिव सॉल्यूशन कि अभी भी ट्रेडिशनल जो ट्रेडिशनल वेज है today in the era of drones, in the era of robotics, हम still किसी traditional mechanisms को use कर सकते हैं, environment friendly mechanisms को use कर सकते हैं. This is one of the examples which you can quote. This is a mela. You have to remember it. It's Buddha Kedarnath Mela. सो इसमें जो है लेजेंड्स जो बोलते हैं हाउ दिस बुद्धा केदारनाथ मेला, व्हाट origin it has and how it is linked to Lord Shiva and how it is linked to Lord Vishnu also. तो I don't think इतना technically you have to go into the technicalities of why it is being celebrated. You just have to remember कि इसको celebrate किया जाता है. It is being celebrated in the Jammu region and it is dedicated to Lord Shiva in the Udhampur district. I think that is all for today. And regarding the previous MCQs which I posted, so the answer is for the first, Manas scheme means multi-agency network for anti-narcotic surveillance. The second, Operation Rajbir, was against the militants and their infiltration in the Kupwara sector. And offbeat destination of the year was Gurez Valley. So today we are having more questions, and I think I have to make a separate video of it because these are 12 in numbers, and we will be continuing it in a new session which will be related to JKSSB only. Till then, have a good day ahead.